Alright guys, this is my 2020 team this year. Probably got about 10 right now. Probably got about another 6 still in the nest. So these are the first batch. Got 2 reds, about 2 black, 3 blacks, or 4 blacks. Then got a check pie, a white with a black tail, and a blue check. So they out today. Trying to see what the outside is like for them. Put a little bit of food there, water. 3 of them could not fly yet. The rest could fly. So they've been flying from here to here. So we'll see how these do this year. I didn't really want to breed them because I don't have enough space, but I'll probably try to make up some space for them. So here they are. This is a real fat one right here. Somehow I got a white one. I don't know how that white came about. Probably from her dad or something. These 2 are nestmates. That's a little mean guy right here. We'll see how this red check flies this year. Looks like a hen, so I don't have any red check hen, so I hope this is a hen. So this red pie might be a cock. I know this white one is a hen, and the rest looks like cocks. So this is an update, 2019, June 23rd, and we'll see how they do. That check pie is the oldest one. He's the first hatch. Right here. This guy right here, he's the oldest one. Pretty big. So we'll see what happens.